Hello everyone! In this lesson, we will create this creative, smoky fading out effect for the text. So we will start here in our HTML, and I will add a UL, then LI, and I will put every letter inside an LI. So I will add S right here, then I will copy that, and paste it again many times. And then I will add all the letters. Great. So now, let's add some styles. I'll go to my CSS, and I will start by adding a dark gray background color to the body. Then I will target the UL, and I will add margin, 0, padding, 0 as well. Then I will add display, flex, so that all the letters will be displayed side by side, like so. Now we will target the list items which contain the letters. And I will add list style, none, to get rid of these bullets. Then I will add color, white. Then font size, 100 pixels. Font weight, bold. Letter spacing, 10 pixels. And finally, transition, 2 seconds. And now the word is looking better. If we take a look at our demo, and if you look carefully at the movement of the letters, you can see that they are moving upward and rotating at the same time. So we will use the translate function to make the letters move upward, and the rotate function to make them rotate, obviously. So let's go to our CSS, and when I hover over the UL, I want to make some changes happen to the LI. The first change is, I want to add transform, rotate 45 degrees, then a space. I also want the letters to be translated vertically on the y-axis by minus 200 pixels, so they will move upward. Now, when I hover over the UL, you can see the letters move upward and rotate at the same time. Now, I also want the opacity of the letters to be 0. So I will go right here and add opacity, 0. And now, when hovering again, the letters end up being transparent. Now, in order to make this smoky or blurry effect, we can use a CSS property named filter. So I will go right here inside the list items and add filter, blur, 20 pixels. So this is a CSS property that will make the text blurry and give it this nice smoky effect. And the higher number you add here, the blurrier it will get. So now, when I hover over our word, you can see we're getting exactly the effect we wanted. Now, one thing left. We don't want this effect to happen to all the letters at the same time. We want the first letter to disappear first, then the second, then the third, and so on. We can do this easily using the transition delay property, which will delay the occurrence of the transition. So what I will do is I will go right here and say li colon nth dash child open parentheses 1 close parentheses. This will target the first child of the list items, which is the letter S. Next, I will copy this and paste it 4 times. And I will change the number every time. So 2 for the second letter, 3 for the third, 4 for the fourth, and 5 for the fifth. Then I will go right here to the first letter and add transition delay, 0 because we want it to disappear immediately. Then we will copy this and make it 0.4 seconds for the second letter, then 0.8 seconds for the third, 1.2 seconds for the fourth, and 1.6 seconds for the fifth. And now, when I go and hover over the word, the letters should disappear one after the other, like so.